Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to create the gradient color text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, that too without using any plugins. So after entering into the timeline, first create a text. After that, double tap on the layer. You can see the properties panel. Click on this, and first for reference I'll change the color to black and change the font as well to the Nova. Then realign it properly. Even I increase the size as well. So now to apply the gradient color effect, again in the properties panel, select the text and in the fill section, click on the color so that you will see this color picker box. On the top, you can see this option solid. Click on the down arrow key. You can see the gradient options. You can choose either linear or radial gradient. For now, I'm choosing the linear. After that, the slider will be opened like this, and it's actually taking the default one. If you want to change any color, hover the mouse to the marker or color stop, click on once and then change the color as you want. Again, the same goes for another color stop. If you want to add one more color stop, simply select anywhere as you want so that one more marker will be created or else color stop. Then you can change the direction, the placement, and you can change the color as well as you want. So like this, you can create different versions of gradient color as you like. If in case you want to delete this, just move to the right side or left side so that it will be cleared. That's it guys. This is how you can create the gradient text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro without using any effects. And one more thing, if you want to save this text as the motion graphics template, you can clearly do that and you can change the text later without creating again from the scratch. For this, select the text layer, right click and choose export as motion graphics template. For this, you can give any name as you want. After that, hit OK. Now, if you go to the graphics template, as you can see here, the gradient text is added. I delete this. I simply drag and drop it here, double press on it so that I can change the text. Even if I double press on it and go to the properties panel, I can get all the controls as I want. That's it guys. This is how you can create and export this as a motion graphics template. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Premiere Pro video editing, other related stuff, followed by YouTube growth hacks.